everyone, I thought I'd give you a little hello. We're not on our plot today, so I'll give you a little mini tour around our little urban container garden, and you can just have a look, see what we've got growing and what's going to get transplanted to the plot. It is grey here. It's been a bit cold as well. It's not got above 9. It's felt about 4 in the wind chill. But I hope you're all having a fabulous time on your plots today, right across the country, right across the globe. And yeah, wonderful times ahead and an extra hour of light tomorrow. Now, what can be better than that? Okay, we shall begin. Okay, I thought I'd start off here. We've got some interesting seedlings we've planted up here, and I hope they're all going to take. We've got some German chamomile, some hyssop, some standard chamomile here, hyssop there, more chamomile here, some catnip there, which I think will probably get demolished by the local cats that wander in and out, but nonetheless it's a fabulous plant for the bees, and cats do love it. Let's see what else we've got going on. Right, we've got some bulb lasagnas here in these pots, and we've done that quite a bit this year. This particular one here is tulip angelique, and we've got some grape hyacinth and some mixed staffs in that one. Yeah, I mean, there's some things are coming through at the moment. We've got crocus coming through. Right, crocus here. They've been at their best over the last couple of days, and we've got a mixture here of snow crocus and various other crocus, plus some daffs popping through. Lots of daffodils getting ready to burst into flower. We've had tons of daffodils this year. Also on the Lottie, there's been a fair amount of daffodils. We've got more lovely mustard greens growing here. And these are Mitsuna red streaked, which are really delicious and lovely in salads and on sandwiches. So I'll just take you up to the grow house and have a look what's happening in here. Right. We've got a whole array of flowers from seed, and lots of vegetables from seed. A lot of it's already gone out as well onto the Lottie or down to the greenhouse. So pretty much what's left going on. So we've got some tiny lobelias coming through here, and these are sapphire. One is lobelia sapphire, one is cascade mix, and we sowed these in early February. Obviously the cascade are coming through much quicker than the sapphire ones, so we'll see how they go. They'll probably spring into action in the next probably week or so. Let's see. Okay, so here we've got Aquilegia flabata, which is implanted again early Feb. We've got a couple of varieties of them. The other one is Jules Mix, so it'd be interesting to see if they germinate. They're not actually showing at the moment. And then we've got petunias here, Mirage F1 white here, and we've got some stock Cinderella mixed on the edge there, and a couple of more Aquilegia. And the ones that seem to be doing the best are these, which are Gazania splendens. So these are all varieties we've planted, but we haven't planted previously from seed. So we'll see how they go. Some more marigolds here coming through, and also wallflowers on this section. And we've got a couple of all year round cauliflower on the end there. Another nice mix of cosmos and nicotiana in this little section here. And also a Vivascasum Snow Maiden variety. They seem to be doing okay. They're coming through quite well. And then we've got calendula here, mostly with some night-scented stock. So we'll see how they get on. And when they're big enough, they'll go out in pots and baskets and various things, window boxes. Here we have some all year round lettuce, which are doing quite well, and we've also got some kohlrabi, white kohlrabi here. So the ones we planted over winter, they took really well, but once we hit the really cold weather we had in sort of December, January, they struggled a little bit. So we managed to salvage some off them, but we lifted them, I think it was just a couple of weeks ago, but we did manage to get some, and they were bunged in some salads, which were really nice, but they didn't do as well over winter. So we're hoping to get a better crop with these through the summer months and see how we get on. And then we've got a few more lolly lettuce hanging on there to go in. They're going to go out. So the grow house is not looking too bad. It has been fuller. As I say, a lot of them have gone down to the greenhouse. And in here, we've got some pumpkins, squash, and just let me double check, which are not showing yet. Yeah, Black Beauty courgette on the end there. So it'll be probably another couple of weeks before they pop through. So things are still looking pretty lush and ready to be planted out, hopefully fairly soon. And finally some kohlrabi seeds that are doing really well. These ones are the kohlrabi Delicacy Blue, planted 17th of February. And I think we've got the variation in the white as well. Yeah, just further back here. So that was a mini tour of a northwest of England urban small container garden. It's amazing what you can grow in pots actually, but on a cold and grey day here, it's lovely to come out if you can't get to the allotment for other reasons. Yeah, it's been nice to share it with you. I hope you've gleaned something from it, and I hope you're all having a fabulous weekend. We will be heading down to our lottie tomorrow, and the forecasters say it's going to be much warmer, so we should reach better temperatures tomorrow. I think here in the northwest we're looking at about 13, so that's not bad, and I know the temperatures are improving. But again, us allotmenteers, we're not fair weather gardeners. We're out there all year round, snow, hail, rain, sunshine, wind, locusts, whatever the elements want to throw at us. So we always embrace nature in all our wonderful ways. So thanks again, and I'll check in with you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.